charm and creativity. One moment you're running through a bustling city, the next you're on the moon wearing a sombrero, and somehow it all fits perfectly. The controls are buttery smooth, and every jump, every throw, it just feels right. What I love most is how it rewards curiosity. You can play casually and have a blast, or you can go full completionist mode, hunting down every single move, and it's still fun. That's rare. That's what makes its replay value practically endless. I swear, there are still moons I haven't found to this day. The music, the energy, the little nods to Mario's history, it all hits right in the heart. It's one of those games that reminds you why you fell in love with gaming in the first place. Odyssey doesn't just entertain you, it makes you smile. And sometimes that's exactly what you need. Every coin, every jump, every leap off a cliff just to check is totally worth it. 13. Days Gone Remastered. There's something about Days Gone that hits different, especially now with the remastered version. When I first played it, I didn't expect it to mess with my emotions like that. It's not just another zombie game. It's about loss, survival, and holding on to hope even when the world's completely gone to hell. Riding through Oregon's open roads with nothing but the sound of your bike in the wind is strangely peaceful until you turn a corner and find a freak or horde ready to eat you alive. Those moments of calm and chaos are what make the game special. Deacon St. John, man, this guy's story gets under your skin. He's not a hero. He's broken, angry, and trying to find meaning after everything's been taken from him. The more you play, the more you feel his pain, his love, his desperation. And when you finally clear out a horde, it's so satisfying. You earn every inch of progress, every hope, every quiet sunrise after the chaos. The remaster only makes it smoother, prettier, and more immersive. It's not perfect, but it feels real. That's what makes it unforgettable.
Mahal yan, hindi na tayo makakabili yan.
14. Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. This one, man, it's one of the most realistic RPG experiences I've ever had. Forget magic and dragons. Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 throws you straight into medieval life, where every sword swing, every meal, every decision actually matters.
Parang iba na siya. Hindi ba to? Hindi na siya yung usual na bilog lang.
And that's what makes it so powerful. It's clumsy, weak, unsure. But as you learn, fight, and struggle, you grow and earn your victories. What I love most is how alive the world feels. The villages, the forests, the way NPCs go about their lives, it's insane how immersive it
How many
gets.
bucks na nun?
Sometimes I'd forget the main quest and just
Ano,
wander around,
PS5
talking to
ba niyan?
people, helping with small stuff, or just sitting by a campfire listening to the sounds of the night. It's not a game for everyone. It demands
Slim
patience.
ba yan? Slim ba
But if you give it that
2,000?
time, it gives you something rare, a sense of
Mario.
accomplishment that feels genuine, and that's worth more than any over-the-top cutscene.
Okay na.
Slim to kasi binasa ko lang.
15. Sackboy: A Big Adventure. Now this one totally caught me off guard. Sackboy: A Big Adventure is the kind of game that just